So students, in today's sessions, I am going to ask you some spoken topics randomly, and these spoken topics which we have already practiced and learned in our class. So, first of all, I would invite to Manav Rana to give his short introductions to us.
Good evening, my teacher and all dear classmates. My name is Manav Rana. I live in Vadodara city. I live in joint family. This year I have passed the 12th science board exam, and presently I am pursuing for BSc nursing, and my additional skill is I am good in dancing. I have very good experience in dancing field, and I am the finalist of Gujju the Dance Icon TV reality show, and I am winner of district level dance competition, and right now I am selected India's Dance Power biggest TV reality show, and my hobby is dancing. Dancing is my passion. My favorite food is Gujarati dish. Generally I like to wear informal clothes, but occasionally I would like to formal clothes. That's all about me. Thanks you a lot.
Okay, thank you, Manav. Thank you very much. Om, we all know this. You are very interested in English language. So, speak today about the importance of English language.
According to People Linguistics Survey, there are total 3,000 languages which are spoken by the people all over the world. And if we talk about our nation, there are 880 languages which are spoken by the Indian people. If we further talk about our state Gujarat, there are total 52 languages. And finally, if we talk about our city Vadodara, there are 32 languages which are spoken by the Vadodian people. Further about we talk about English language. English language is very important language. The English language is spoken by the worldwide. English language is the symbol of strength, prestige, and power. English language is very useful to people like employees who works in a multinational companies. In today's modern era, there are so many multinational companies. If some employee works in these multinational companies, there are strong possibilities to go further in abroad. If the employee goes to abroad countries like China or Spain, the employee has to learn the Chinese or Spanish language. But in this case, if the employee knows the international language English, it's needless to learn any other languages. English language will help them to communicate with the people abroad. Further, we talk about the importance of English. English is the main language of machineries in today's time, and most of the interviews are also taken in English, and the main offices and bank offices form filling language is also English language. Thus, we have to learn, speak, and understand the English language very carefully. People consider who speaks fluent English. People consider this man or woman as a well educated.
Thank you very much, Om. Dhwanil, please come on the platform of our class. Describe about the things that you have. You have means right now you have these things, you hold these things. So please try to speak in present, simple present tense. So describe about the thing that you have.
I am using a phone. Name is iPhone 8 series. Its color is rose gold. 8 GB RAM and 64 GB ROM in my phone. Apple A11 Bionic chip in my phone. My phone is waterproof, so I can easily use in rain. In my phone camera clarity is so good. 4.7 inches is screen. 4K. It's 4K video shoot for 60 frames in per second. My phone is so safe to another phone. My phone is so costly. My phone is so costly. In camera, the larger and faster sensor in my phone, we capture a picture so fastly. That's all for my phone.
Okay, Manav. Well tried. Super. Best wishes for your future. Manasvi, please come on the platforms and Describe about the memorable event. Describe about the memorable event that you have attended and this event is special for you. Please.
Last Sunday, I attended a birthday party of my friend Amit. We all friends gathered at his place at 4 o'clock in the evening. There was a big courtyard. We all played various outdoor games, played musical instrument, played antakshari, told jokes, sang songs, danced, and so on. First of all, he introduced us his family members and other friends. After 2 hours, Amit took us to the spacious hall. The hall was decorated with colored lights and natural flowers. In the center of the hall, there was a table which was covered with white designer tablecloths. Amit's mother came with big decorative cake. Amit's sister brought candles with her. She put the candles round of the table and lit them. Amit blew the candles and cut the cake. We all clapped and wished many happy returns of the day. He distributed pieces of the cake among us. We presented him nice gift. After that he offered us delicious dinner which was followed by dessert.
Okay, Manasvi, super, fantastic. Now, I like to call Khushi. Khushi, your topic is existing place. Existing place means this place, it is already exist in present. So please speak in simple present tense.
Sayaji Garden is the biggest and most beautiful public garden in my city Vadodara. It is situated at the bank of river Vishwamitri. On a one side, river flows. On the other side, University Road parallel to it. The garden has 4 entries. The main entry is at Kala Ghoda. As we enter, on its right there is a Sardar Planetarium. In the garden there is a huge statue of Shivaji Maharaj mounted on a horse. Behind the statue there is a government museum with a picture gallery. There is also a small theatre for education films. There is a walking track for jokers. There is a bank stand which is surrounded by beautiful marble statues. There is also a great attraction of Joy Train. There is a very big and ancient zoo in this garden. There are so many exercise equipment, tools and ride in this garden. There is a big round shaped clock carving in this lawn. There is a with virgin rice.
Okay, marvelous. Khushi, you spoke superb. Now I would invite Dikshita. Dikshita, please come on. And your topic is describe about a thing that you had. Had is the past form of have and has. So you have to speak this topic in simple present, simple past tense. Your topic is describe about the thing that you had.
About 5 years ago, I had Nokia 3300 mobile phone. It was a very famous that time. Its screen was very small, but resolution was marvelous. It had button keypad. It had Hutch company SIM card. Its screen was black and white and pale yellow color light. It had one inbuilt game named Moving Snake. I learned so many calling and mobile sales rating system through using it.
Okay, nice. You speak. Gauri, please come on the platform of our class and tell us about the historical place that you had visited and also give some information about this historical place.
Last month I had visited Taj Mahal. Taj Mahal is one of the 7 wonders of the world in India. It is located Uttar Pradesh and it is situated on right bank of Yamuna river. Taj Mahal was built by Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan for loving memory of his wife Mumtaz Mahal. There is a Mumtaz Mahal tomb is middle of the Taj Mahal. It is a symbol of art and love. Around 22 years ago, Taj Mahal was built white marble and white marble work carry almost 180 miles help took up 1000 elephants. Construction was completed in 1653. It attracts from people to see the Taj Mahal, and people come from outside the country to Taj Mahal, see and understand their culture. The Taj Mahal considered to be greatest architectural achievement of the whole world. Thank you.
Nice, well tried. On the very first day, I have noticed that your English speaking is improving a lot. Now, I would invite Dhruvi. Dhruvi, please tell us about the importance of yoga. In our hectic and daily and stressful life, yoga is very needful and we have to follow it. Even our Prime Minister also practice yoga in his daily life. So please give us information about the importance of yoga.
Yoga is our ancient heritage. It is form of a light exercise which keeps our body fit and healthy. It keeps our body and mind active. It reduces fat. Yoga make our body flexible. Yoga improve the blood and circulation, memory power. Early morning is the best time to do yoga. Yoga improve our concentration. What we must do yoga practice under the yoga teacher. When we the yoga practice we automatically regular in our daily routine. Yoga is a very
Yes.
yoga. We must try to do yoga. We celebrate the International Yoga Day on 21st June. I like to do yoga. We believe in yoga exercise, and what a wonderful exercise yoga is.
Okay, good. So you tried your best. Mitul, please come on the platform of our class and describe about a person who is not surviving. Your topic is describe about a person who is not surviving. It means this person is dead. So try to speak in simple past tense या in past perfect tense.
The principal of my school was the man of the principal. He is tall and slim. His personality was also good. He took us high secondary classes, and he taught mathematics also very good. Mathematics made very simple for every student. He was a very strict for discipline. Unfortunately, he was 2 years ago died. Thank you.
Okay, before 2 years ago he died. Okay, Piyush, you try your best. Now I would invite Piyush. Piyush, please tell us one nice story. And we all know this. Always we have to tell story in simple past tense. We can never ever tell a story in present tense or in future. So Piyush, please speak the stories and use simple past tense.
Once there was a cap seller who not only sold caps in his own village but also in another villages too. One scorching noon, he sold caps from one village to another village. That time he got tired and thought for take rest. Under a big shady tree, he slept. After a while, when he awoke, he was not found his cap. So he looked here and there. Finally, he looked up. There were so many monkeys wearing caps in the tree. He knew the imitating nature of the monkeys. So he showed toward the monkeys and showed them his own wearing caps and threw it on the ground. Due to imitating nature of the monkeys also threw their own wearing cap on the ground. And finally, the cap seller collected all the caps and went from there happily.
Okay. Thank you so much, Piyush. Now finally, I would like to invite Krupa. Krupa, describe a thing that you have. A thing that you have. Please speak in simple present tense.
I have a book on cricket and it contains about 300 pages on the covered page. It colors of Sachin Tendulkar photographs. On the back page is a photograph of Brian Lara's photograph. Inside there is a various chapter on international matches. That describes there are live photographs with different test matches and ODI. There the book gives a world record of matches as individual players. The book there the book rules of games.
Yes, yes.
Games to the book interesting to read.
It is interesting to read. Nice, superb, well dry, Krupa. And now, most of all of you are speaking today, and I have noticed this too much improvement to you. Now, from today, your class is also pursuing. So, in future, you have noticed ample of difference from the today's speaking style. So, students, thank you so much.